Guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be doing a hair tag design. Colors we will be using is green, black and white. Disclaimer guys, this is not an actual business, or if there is a business that name beauty aesthetics, this is just for passion project purposes. So the logo I created is just for my passion projects, just for creating. Okay, so this is very simple. It took me under 30 minutes to create, and very simple and easy. You can follow along. Right here you're seeing me showing you the new feature that Canva has, the gradient. Oh my god, I love it. This gradient I created was a bit too harsh, the dark green, but that's exactly what I wanted to do. You'll see it in a few why I did it like this. But yeah, we're doing this. This is for businesses that sells bundle. If you want to create a tag for your business, to add to your bundles, this is pretty easy, and you can do it for yourself, or you can purchase our template. That link to this template would be in the description box. I won't be talking throughout the video, but just sit back, relax and enjoy what we create, and remember to subscribe and like.
Whip, body, crib, got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my, say my? So won't you say my name?